Clank.
Leo.
The old ditch pump started.
Right, which way we go? Hey? Oh, yeah, it does. Which way are we going out of here? Are we going down that way or up? Up.
I don't know what's up with me today, but I'm not concentrating on the last one bloody ready.
Of course.
Carry on, I'm faffing.
I'll follow. I'll bring up the rear.
Going spank you out? Oh no, you're still fucking about, aren't you? Is your top box shut? Yes.
I'm faffing.
You wanker.
Talk?
Talk? Nigel's intercom's not working.
Oh, is it not? You're going to hear, fools ya!
Did you charge it?
Speak.
Huh? Is it working now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'm on a fucking... Why isn't that connected?
We're waiting for Nige.
Where are you?
My Android hasn't started.
It's a fucking Honda. Whose camera went off then?
I don't know. It wasn't mine. Alright.
My back,
well, I haven't got a map up, so...
My back one on.
No, nor am I. Way too much footage.
Yeah.
Way too much footage.
It only took me 12 minutes to upload my footage last night. How long did it take you, Nige?
Week. Right, we're here.
That's it, I can't wait for you lot.
Up and away.
Go on then, I'll bring up the...
Map.
Right, no more switching off, Stephen.
Yeah, don't worry about it, Steve, because Nigel will be editing it anyway.
No, I'm telling me to stop, not switch me bloody brain off.
Did you ever turn it on?
Oh, so... Or maybe I turned it on, that's why I got confused, I don't know. All clear.
Lovely.
It was a nice little stop, wasn't it? I know he said it was 50% tarmac, but I thought it was, you know, half road.
You notice
half
some of the
gravel, not
tarmac's actually on the fucking road.
Oh.
He's a fat cunt, that
It's a
sheep.
tad rough, isn't it? There we go.
Yeah, it may catch you unawares.
Road bit of smoothness. Very nice up to there, isn't it?
I bet you'd sooner be on a fucking motorway, wouldn't you, Steve?
No. I bet that's
I
a
bet
nice
Bass has
trail.
already gone up there.
Yeah, more than likely. Yeah, that's a
Another
nice
right.
one. Fucking hell, ran that one. Bloody hell.
Potholes on your left.
I take it back when I said your roads are better. Right.
You take it back what?
When I said their roads are better than ours.
Yeah, we was expecting lovely smooth tarmac, weren't we? But they lied.
Memories cover my eyes and glimpses of you.
It is.
They obviously only re-tarmac the tourist route, don't they?
And the sun, the earth, the sky.
Yeah.
Oh,
Which one?
fucking cement mixer.
Somewhere heaven.
Some fucking height, innit?
Jeez.
He's what's known down our way as a girt lump. No, not me.
You know what they say, Nigel? If the cat fits.
Gravel? It's fucking boulders.
Yeah. Take it easy.
Yeah.
I can't believe these guys have got this on your doorstep.
Lovely, innit?
It's beautiful.
I collect them just to show you how they shine. I know all the beauty that you hide. And I won't stop trying to show you till I die. Somewhere heaven is on earth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, watch yourselves, flat bit.
Just beyond my reach. Won't you then help me to
The trouble is you try and pick a line through the potholes and it just it's like a road to
Yeah, but
nowhere.
when that fucking heavy thing goes over, it makes another pothole all of its own.
Yeah, you get your casters stuck in the holes.
Yeah, I suppose the weight of this bike doesn't help the holes, does it? Yeah.
Shame it's a wee bit breezy.
Yeah.
It is a little bit
Could have fired the
breezy,
drone up through there, look.
Well, Ron was right about the temperatures today, wasn't he? It's going to be warm,
Yeah.
going to be cold, going to be warm, going to wet.
Right, you, it was a bit breezy in our fucking caravan this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah, you were very breezy nice.
Yeah. It was nice of you to drop one right in the door to welcome us in last night.
There is none more beautiful than you.
Brings a whole new meaning to thanks for dropping by,
Yeah, talk
doesn't
about
it?
What's this
crossing
one,
the
Nick?
threshold.
I saw something
Beautiful, isn't it?
luminous down the bottom. Oh,
Oh,
lovely.
Jesus,
Oh,
yeah.
fuck me, yeah.
Now.
Try and take it. Oh, it's too late.
Yes, it was a good fart this morning. I had to get one of them to poke me eye back in. You could hear skin tearing.
Yeah. We had to get the mop out as well.
I wanted to get off to soften the suspension up.
They'll tag on the back of us, look.
Yeah.
We'll go from a group of 9 to a group of 60 fucking 4.
Oh, rut. Tell you what, it's a bloody good job we haven't got that centre open mesh. You imagine them not jumping in on it. Are they German plates, aren't
Al's
they?
got a centre, he can bring them all in, look.
Bloody fly tipping
Yeah,
there.
Steve, you dropped one of your cushions.
Yeah.
And that come out of that bloody camper van. It's sad that I know that upholstery, isn't it?
Fucking beautiful through here, isn't it?
Isn't it?
It is. Absolutely gorgeous.
I wish I'd put the cameras on now.
Nothing unusual there then. I'd save the battery for when they're in the top box, mate.
Look at them camping there, look.
Bit windy.
Yes.
Don't shove your ass through their flaps, Dodge.
Open up the zip and drop my guts in there and fucking zip it back up.
Padlock it.
Yeah, that for a gash. Bonnie!
Yeah.
That's it. You stay with your mum.
Look at a dear little thing.
Yeah, Mum will look after you.
At least for about 3 more months till you're ready.
Absolutely fantastic.
Definitely need to come up with another. Yeah, we definitely need to come up with another word for explaining how nice this is.
Faftastical.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll all put it on our channels and we'll get banned because that word he said for beautiful was not beautiful.
Schlappenschlonger.
Shit in the road.
Oh fuck, I hit that. Felt that fucking clonk.
A clonk. Oh, look, some here. Oh, some here. It's like trying to pick your line for all the craters, isn't it?
Oh, I know.
Well, I was trying to pick the line between the bridge, the corner and the potholes. It's like, oh.
Like shagging a dirty girl trying to miss all the genital warts.
Lovely.
You can hear his there he goes. You can hear his other half coming out slowly, can't you?
Rhubarb out of bed.
Yeah. By lunchtime he'll be fully out.
Look at that. I bet they live
Probably
there.
live there.
That's
Yeah.
their home address.
The lay-by on the corner by the bridge. Is that you behind me?
It
Nikolai?
is.
Okey-dokey. Well, feel free to pass if you want to
No,
play.
it's fine.
Oh God, where do we go now? There's that. I missed all the bloody potholes and I threw a stone up at my visor.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Go on, Alex.
Oh, we had a wheel lift then.
I'm sure Alex opened it up a little
did.
bit.
He did. He's like that fucking Vauxhall Astra driver. Oh, water down here to the left.
Rot in the middle.
And here we see the Tarkadal in his natural environment. Round to right, yep. Clear. We're here, we're all here.
All clear. Apart from the round.
Main road, that's a cue to get the fucking 360 off. Clear.
All clear.